Hey everyone, I'm Lauren from Jamm. We take the best parts of Zoom, House Party, and TikTok to redesign video for work. So whether you want to share a morning coffee, record a product demo, or just crush your colleague at a game Pictionary, Jamm's one-click video collaboration app makes it easy to stay connected with your team. Features include video chat, recorded video stories, screen sharing, whiteboarding, and more, all of which I'll show you today during the demo. Jamm adds personality to what is normally a scheduled, stuffy, and kind of boring experience. But before we get started, I want to share a few interesting stats with you. Based on recent research we conducted, we found that remote workers are using video conferencing just as much as email to communicate, which is great. But then why do roughly 70% of those same respondents also say that they miss face-to-face interaction most while they're working from home? Clearly, there is room for technology to solve that social connection issue. The office banter we crave can't be fixed with a Zoom happy hour on a Friday. We need those in-between meeting conversations that happen over lunch or across a desk, a virtual desk, that more closely mimic how we communicate and collaborate in real life. Traditional video collaboration apps weren't built for that, but Jamm is. With Jamm, your team can stay connected, engaged, and productive, all while having some fun together. So let's dive into the app. Jamm is designed as a desktop-first experience with browser compatibility. Anyone can join a video chat or watch a video story, no download required. In addition to this default view of the app, we also offer a skinny mode when you want to reduce the size further. Let's say you're in design mode or heads down in code. Let's walk through how I use Jamm on an average day. At the top, you'll see Jamm Now. This allows me to start a video chat with anyone I'd like, whether it's an external agency or a few folks on my team. Again, anyone can hop in from the web. Just name the call, copy the link to share, or start it right away. Daily stand-ups are part of our workflow. So for the marketing team, that means we meet in the marketing room. Rooms are permanent and have a defined purpose. Anyone who is part of the Jamm workspace can start a video chat here or record a video story for that group to watch. Discoverability is one of the key benefits of Jamm. I can see that 2 of my teammates are already hanging out in the marketing room. Let's join them. Jamm has a smaller visual footprint than solutions like Zoom. This allows users to focus on their work as opposed to their video. Video chat bubbles act as a sticky overlay, which is super helpful when you're navigating around a million open tabs or applications. Jamm offers really powerful collaboration features once you're in a call, like screen sharing, whiteboarding, and more. Shared cursors enable me to see where my teammates are pointing to in real time. Now we'll jump into a shared whiteboard, but we realized we forgot to invite somebody, so we're going to quickly invite him now. The best part about our whiteboard is it has a memory. Yesterday we were brainstorming a new wireframe for a web page, and it's still available for us to build on further now. Oh, there he is. But it's not always possible for all of us to sync at the same time, so we often record meeting highlights that we can post back to the marketing room so that anyone who is interested can see what we chatted about. When the call's over, simply hang up. Now I need to update Juan in engineering about a few new projects we discussed. But he's in Barcelona and I'm in SF, so real-time syncs are tough. That's why we offer asynchronous video stories with screen sharing. It's great for product demos or just talking through a new idea. These can be posted directly to a room or sent directly to a teammate. With new animated emojis, you can react to video stories with more personality. To try it out, hover over a video story and select the emoji that suits your mood. Juan is in fuego this week, so I'm going to throw some flames his way. Presence makes the Jamm experience all that more powerful. You can see who is free to chat now, who is busy, and even who is in the middle of a conversation. If it's a public room, you can hop in to say hello. In addition, you can opt into active app sharing, so your teammates can see what work program you're using. It won't show that you're browsing Amazon or listening to Spotify. It will just update with a very specific set of work apps that you're using, like Jira, Slack, Google Docs, etc. I don't always want to be reachable, and with Zen mode, I can turn off notifications and inbound calls for a set period of time so that I can stay in the zone. Fun video avatars for profile pics let you visually communicate your mood for the day in boomerang-style video. Now that we've dug into the app experience, let's talk about a critical piece of the puzzle, our Slack integration. With our simple slash commands, you can jump in and out of conversations, whether it's for a quick brainstorm or to say hello to a colleague. You can use our record command to record a video status, a product walkthrough, all while posting immediately back into Slack. You can also choose to cross-post it into a Jamm room, all without ever leaving the Slack environment. So that's how you can supercharge your remote work experience with Jamm. For a limited time, Running Remote attendees can get free access to Jamm. Just follow the link in our exhibitor profile to get started. Thanks for watching the demo today. It's time to jam more and meet less. Bye-bye.